In this lecture, we will connect a button and it will control the LED's position, as you can see. Okay, let's create a new folder as it is a new section. Name it button controls. Okay, now open the LED circuit we created in the previous lectures. We don't need to create a new circuit. Okay, now search button. This is the button, and double click, close. Now search a resistor. This is the resistor, double click it and it will appear here. Okay, close. Place the button here. Drag and rotate it. Now connect the resistor to port A.0 and connect the other side to 5-volt supply. So this pin will be at high voltage. Now connect the button to the same pin and ground its other side. Our circuit is complete. Now this pin will be always at high because we have connected it to positive supply. Whenever we press the button, it will be grounded, which means that button is pressed. This is how we detect the button press. Okay, create a new program. The same as we know, device 16 F887, crystal 4, and all digital true. Output port C, LEDs port. Now input port A.0. This line is important. As you can see, button has been connected to port A.0. So this pin must be declared input. Now loop. Go to loop. Okay, now if port A.0 is equal to 0, that means if button is pressed, then port C equals tilde port C. It will complement it. It will reverse the direction, reverse the position of LEDs. Compile. Now save it. LEDs button control. Compile. Okay, now import the new hex file. LEDs button control. Okay, if now we press the button, the LED's pattern will be reversed like this. So this is a button control program. If you like the video, scroll down, subscribe, ring the bell to get notifications. You can like the video, you can dislike the video, and if you think this video can help someone else, you can share it on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. etc. Thanks for watching.